Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to defend in 1v1 situations. So personally, I'm a midfielder. I'm not really a defender. So I'm joined by someone who is a real defender to show us how to do a proper 1v1 defending stance.
Hi, I'm Renz Asumen. I am a fullback defender.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, so 1v1 defending. So if you're defending in a 1v1 situation, so I'm the attacker, he's the defender, there's the goal, I'm trying to score. So first key point is that he should delay as much as possible and don't dive in. Okay, so I'm going to go at him. Okay, see what he did there? He wasn't trying to get the ball from me, but he was delaying it. So okay, so do you see the two differences? So first example was the proper one. So what he did is he delayed and he jockeyed against me. So I'll explain that later. The second example is what we want to avoid, which is he stepped in too early, he committed, did a lunge, and I was able to beat him. Okay, so first lesson is you need to be patient and delay the attacker. Okay, so this is the proper defending stance. So can you show me the defending stance? Okay, so what we want is for him to bend his knees, yeah, on your toes, okay, as much as possible. He's trying to get as low as possible, and if you can see, he's not facing me straight on. He's on his side because he's trying to show me my left side. Okay, so he's trapping me. He wants me to go to my left because most players are right-footed. Okay, so most players can't play with their left foot. So you have for a defender, you have to dictate where the attacker is going instead of just reacting. Okay, so on your toes, bend your knees, put your arm out for distance. Okay, just putting his arm out for distance, and then yeah, showing the left side so that I go and force to my left foot. Okay, then he can tackle me. Okay, so if I move the ball, it's just going to switch hips like this. Okay, so show me. I'm going to dribble lang. You're just going to dribble. Okay, so I'm going to dribble at him, change direction, and he's going to switch his hips. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, so that's the defensive stance. Okay, so number one, be patient. Delay the attacker as much as possible. Number two, the proper defensive stance. And now, so again, so I'm going to show you guys how to tackle the ball. Okay, so now we delay. We put him, the defender is giving me my left side. So once I dribble, so I can't go inside because he's bring the right side. Now I only have to go left. So go left. Cover. Okay, so once I go left, that's when you tackle, okay? So use your body, use your leg out, your arm to get the ball. Again. Yeah. Okay, so that's how 10 1v1. Okay, 10 1v1. Okay, so again, 3 key points. Okay? First, delay, be patient. Number 2, proper defensive stance. So, try to go low as possible on your toes and push the opponent to one side, ideally to his weaker foot. And then number 3, when he goes to that side, that's when you make a tackle. Okay, so as much as possible, don't commit, don't plunge in. Wait for him, dictate. Okay, dictate for him to go to one side and then tackle him with your body. that's it for today's video. That is how to defend in 1v1 situations as a defender. So you can use this if you're a center back or a fullback. If you've enjoyed this video, you can comment down below if you want more tips, especially on the defensive side. That's it. See you guys on the next video. Like and subscribe.